Hello everyone, I'm Blake Sneed. I'm a storyteller and a creator based in Arizona. Today I am going to be hiking to a waterfall. I am so excited. This is one of my favorite waterfalls to hike to when the springtime comes and the water is running through from the snow melt off. So I am like right where the forest meets the desert. I will be going into a wilderness area today. So since I can't fly my drone in wilderness, I am going to fly it a little right now before we get there, and then we'll get going and I'll start hiking. That was so much fun. I love flying my drone, but today we are going to be focusing a little bit more on photography because I'm going to be in a wilderness area, so I can't fly my drone. So I'm not going to bring it. I'm just going to get going and start hiking, and hopefully we can get some really cool photos. I want to get some bee photos. So yes, I want to get really close to some bees, hopefully, and get some close-up photos of them with my new telephoto lens. I have an up to 400 millimeter now. I want like a 600, but we won't go there right now. I'm hoping that I can use my 400 millimeter to hopefully get some cool close-ups of these bees on the flowers. And then I want to get to the waterfall, which is pretty far. So it's gonna be almost an all-day adventure. All right, we are hiking. I am on the trail. I have my camera bag. I have my tripod. I have water. I have a safety straw in case I need to drink water from the stream or the creek. And we are going. I am super excited because I think I got some cool photos of the bees on these flowers. I made a little joke in my head. I was like, what if a cool species of bee came around? How cool would that be? Ha 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 ha. I hope you enjoyed the bee photos. I had fun taking them. And I didn't get stung because I'm not like bothering the bees. I have a very long lens on. The longest lens I had before was 300 millimeters, and now the longest lens I have is 400 millimeters. Now I want like a 600 millimeter lens. I'm taking a break on this rock pile because this is a long hike. I need a break. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I made it here to the waterfall. I'm gonna go stick my head under this other waterfall, so let's go do it. Okay, here I go. Woo! Yeah, feels good. Okay, I did it. Well, I know this was kind of a shorter video. I had so much fun on this adventure taking photos of bees and coming to the waterfall to take photos as well. I hope you had fun on this adventure. And until the next video, keep adventuring safely and responsibly. Bye!